Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable and disable your laptop lid open application. So let's get started. So search for control panel and open it, and then select the large icon option. You can search it on search bar for power options. Select it and then press on high performance change plan setting. And then change advanced power settings, and then click on to power button and lead. Click on plus option, and then you'll take you to power lead open action, and then from that setting you can turn it off and on. Apply it and then cross it and then restart the computer, and that should solve the issue.